Welcome to the first task of the APL tournament practice session. In this task, we focus on imagination and creativity. On this paper, I have drawn 4 simple shapes. Your challenge is to transform these shapes into creative illustration. To guide you, I will first demonstrate by turning these shapes into illustrations. This is just an example to help you understand the task. At the end of the video, I will give you one shape as a test. You need to use your imagination, transform that shape into an illustration, and present it to me during the class. This task is designed to test your visionary thinking, how you dream, think, and shape ideas into art.